45 on the lookout, guy on the left.
Almost jump shot him. 40. I'm coming.
I'm coming.
He moves so fast, it's constant.
Got her.
Oh, you're amazing!
Boom, baby. Boom.
Gets ambushed by Pink Punish's RFB. Pink Punish and Rad Fox kind of in their element here as they're just wiping team after team. Now able to bring up Madison, but she was going to drop down in the middle of nowhere. Definitely getting spotted by Pink Punish as Pink Punish rotates around, but eats an AWP shot from Slickskillz, eating some damage from above by Rad Fox. Madison, fresh res, desperately going for the gun sword to try and get back up. Oh, excellent frag. Slickskillz not able to get that soft cover out in just in time, instead putting it past the frag instead of before the frag.
He's so low. Yes! Here!
Sit down!
Did good damage to her. Woo! Woo!
Awesome.
Yeah!
Yes.
Pop off!
Yes. You did awesome.
I think we just have to go to the right here. Let's just build to the right. Screw it. Hopefully there's some more health for us to rotate. Watch out for the grenade. There is a couple sodas here. Alright, outside. We gotta go this way hard. This is gonna hurt, but I think it's the best we got. Up. Climb up. There are gonna be people here. We're right up behind them. If you can come help me and shoot these guys. We're right behind them. They don't even know. Crack.
Zone. Banana.
Let's go in. Yep. Oh. You know what? Let's just chill. They're inside here.
They're also inside.
They're rezzing. Let's
Rezzing.
go. In. You go in that way. I'll go in from the other side. One more. Wipe. Lot of loot. Lot of loot, babe. Right here. Right here. Lot of loot.
Corner. Behind you two guys. Behind you two guys. Behind you two guys. Here on me. I didn't know there was someone hiding in the corner.
Oh shoot! I got stuck. I did not mean to do that. God, I could have just shot her. Oh well, we got some kills.
Yeah, I didn't
We got
know
some
there
kills.
was someone else in the corner.
They were
I didn't
hiding
know
in
they
that
were
corner
thinking-
too? No way.
Yeah, here in the corner, yeah.
Holy crap. 45. I claim zone now. I'm gonna zone that team. Not ticking. They made it in. I'm working back to zone. I'm taking zone.
Two left.
45. I don't have a lot of build left.
45 on the lookout, guy on the left.
He almost jump shot at me. 40. I'm coming.
He moves so fast, it's constant.
Got her.
Oh, you're amazing!
Boom, baby, boom.
1v2 Scanter and Abby.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I wasn't 1v2.
Everything
I
you do,
just shot him in the back while he shot you. You fought him good.
That's all your cues. I'm almost dead.
Oh, I missed! I missed 2 shots point blank. Damn, sorry, I missed that. No DT for Pink tonight. No DT. I got a gold M10. Cracked him. Other one's over here, shooting at another player. Almost got the kill. I got the kill.
Oh my god.
30 damage.
So crazy.
I'm going in for this. I got a gold M10.
I have nothing. One is on the top.
Multiple teams here.
Being the two different teams.
Yep. I'm helping him.
Yeah, I have 40 bullets at the top.
Cracked him. Killed him.
Pink.
Scanner's in the open over there.
Yeah.
She's alone,
Oh, someone
I
dead
think.
here.
Okay, let's get her.
She's almost dead.
Yep.
She's behind this team. She's solo.
Out to the street is more. They're fighting in the street.
I'm taking the ammo.
They're inside this building. Cracked one. I wish I had a grenade. If you had a grenade, this would be good. Cracked two. Almost
No.
killed two.
Yes.
Killed one. Wiping another.
Amazing. That's one team left.
Last one's in the zone here. We have zone.
Really?
They're riding out the
Go
other
crazy,
side.
Pink. Just went crazy.
Up high. Up high. They're up high.
Yes.
Cracked one.
Killed. Madison. One left.
Pop off, baby. Pop off. In here. Right here. Right here. Cracked him.
He's solo.
Nice. He's down. He's fucking down.
Here, he's drinking sodas and everything.
Okay. I got gold M10 flying in. Going out the other side. Out the other side. Flying away. Climbing up. In the alley, 30 damage. Chasing after. Did good damage to her. Woo! Woo!
Some.
Gah!
Yeah.
Papa!
You did awesome. Look at you. Oh, even I had nice damage. Awesome.
Nice, nice.
Helping the team. Helping the team. They're using the elevator. You guys.
Oh, one shot! Yes!
Yes. Yes.
Here we go, here we go.
On us.
Oh, there's two teams here.
Yes. 3 teams.
One on top,
Okay.
one in the street.
Good.
Yeah,
Yes.
nice.
I'm with
They
you.
almost got me. Can we zone run it? Let's zone run it. Let's zone run it out the back. Pick up health. There's plenty of health here to zone run.
Yeah.
Let's go all the way here. I don't have any build, so if we go out there, I'm a dead man. There's sodas. Do you need sodas? Do you need health? I got plenty.
No, I have 3 bananas.
Okay, excellent. Me
Three
too.
bananas.
Me too. There's pick up those. I drank 2 already.
Yeah, yeah.
Excellent. There's more. We're good. We're good for this. Okay, and we're gonna have to take this alley. It's ugly, but we don't really have a
We
choice.
have 9 builds. Myself.
Okay, we gotta go. We don't have a choice. We got placement at least. I think we have to jump
Yeah.
this and go. There's people climbing up. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo!
I heard one too.
I don't have a good spot here, but could be worse. I made it in zone. All right, now we go. They're in the sky. Free kills.
Yeah, I didn't see him.
I got it.
Nice.
We have to work towards zone over here, but we don't. We don't have second place yet.
Wait. He's raising.
Yep. In the
There's
vent.
gold take on the floor.
We can't climb that.
48. 48 on Scanter on Abby. 48 to
I don't see him.
On
Whoa!
Abby.
I got opped.
He's behind 3 times on Abby. 48. And there is Scanter also right behind it.
Here comes zone.
Yes.
I got 2 bananas. I'm gonna ride this for all the bananas I can. Here we go. Going in.
That's all. Another team killed me, but they're just.
Got one. Oh no, one on top of me.
At least you got one.
Yep, got one. Oh, we didn't get second. Damn, we didn't get.
Oh. Two of them here.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
He was eating a banana too. Shoot.
Aw.